Hello children, how are you all? In the previous class we have learnt about our food. Everyone have their own favorite food. What is your favorite food? Okay, is only favorite food sufficient for us? Yes children, you are correct. Only favorite food not sufficient for us. We need more energy to do many activities in our daily life. Children, do we need energy when we sleep? Correct children. Even while sleeping, we breathe and circulation filtration of our blood in our body goes on. So we need energy while we are sleeping. Do you know children? There are many components present in our food. Observe any wrappers in your kitchen. Our food consists of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Besides these, water and fibers are also present. These are all called by nutrients. The components present in food substances can be tested easily through simple experiments. Test for carbohydrates or starch. For this experiment, we need iodine solution, dropper, food items which we want to test. Here we take the food materials, add a few drops of dilute iodine solution on the samples. If the substance turns dark blue or black color indicates the presence of starch or carbohydrates. Now test first fats. For this experiment, we need food components which we want to test and papers. Take a sample of food and rub it on piece of paper. If the paper turns translucent, the substance contains fats. పిల్లలు మీ అందరికీ తెలుసు కదా, ఇప్పుడు మనము హోటల్స్ నుంచి ఇడ్లీ వడ దోశ లాంటి పార్సల్ తెచ్చుకున్నాం అనుకోండి, పేపర్లో వాళ్ళు ప్యాక్ చేసి ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఇడ్లీకి అయితే పేపర్ ట్రాన్స్పరెంట్గా మారిపోదు, అంటే ఇడ్లీలో ఫ్యాట్స్ లేవన్నమాట. అదే దోశ వడల్లో చూడండి, దోశ వడలు పార్సల్ చేసినటువంటి పేపర్ ట్రాన్స్పరెంట్గా మారిపోతుంది. సో అక్కడ ఫ్యాట్స్ ఉన్నాయన్నమాట. ఓకే రైట్. అండ్ నౌ టెస్ట్ ఫర్ ప్రోటీన్స్. ఫర్ దిస్ ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ వీ రిక్వైర్డ్ 2% కాపర్ సల్ఫేట్ సొల్యూషన్ అండ్ 10% sodium hydroxide solution. Food items which we want to test. The substances which we want to test is present in solid form. We grind it into paste. Take the little amount of food substance, add 2 drops of copper sulfate, 10 drops of sodium hydroxide and shake well. If the solution changes of color to violet or purple indicates the presence of proteins. Children, do you know about ragages? These are also called as dietary fibers. These are also necessary for our body. Our body fails to digest ragages, but they help in free bowel movement in the digestive tract and prevent constipation. Water is also an essential component needed by our body. It helps the food to move easily in the digestive tract and in many other processes in our body as well. The food that contains all the nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals in a proper proportion is called as balanced diet. We must take balanced diet for good health and better to avoid junk food. The founder of modern science of nutrition was Lavoisier. He done his good researches in nutrition. My dear children, don't forget to help your mom while cooking. Okay children, take care. Bye.